Meaning of dry cure.
Dry cure.
Dry cure.
Dry cure.
Dry cure. Dry curing is a preservation method for meats that involves rubbing them with a mixture of salt, sugar, and spices before hanging them to air dry. The process can take weeks or even months, as the meat slowly loses moisture and becomes more concentrated in flavor. The end result is a deeply savory, intensely flavored type of meat that can be thinly sliced and enjoyed on its own, or used as a flavorful ingredient in a variety of dishes. Dry-cured meats include popular products like prosciutto, salami, and bacon.